Alright, ran our little Suzuki 2.5 today on the day sailor. When you get done, you want to flush the motor, so set it up and run a motor in the bucket, one of Skipper's favorite things. Enough so that the water intake's down by the prop. It's submerged, just keep the water running. And these motors, check them before you run. You check the oil, check the vent cap. Oil levers over there. Crack the throttle a little bit. Choke it if it's cold. Make sure it's in neutral. And make sure your fuel switch is on. We've drained the fuel, so we just want to run what's left in the line go into the carburetor. And we'll see how long it runs. Let's see if we can get it started here. Well, it didn't run long, but it might be dry. All right, I think we got it emptied out now, and that's all we're doing.